How could we walk past this beautiful fallen tree and not stop to take a picture of it? You need to be careful though. Thinking about how you're going to use pattern, texture and contrast is really important to getting a great image. Patterns and textures like the one that we found on this amazingly intricate root structure on the underside of this fallen tree are made for black and white. Black and white is all about contrast, and it's a great way of showing texture and detail as well. The trick here, I think, is to not just end up with a frame which is really busy and cluttered, and to try and come up just a little bit and we'll catch this really bright sky in the background. The beauty of doing that is that we have all of the things that we love in there, all of this old wood and these beautiful lines and curves, but we've also got this really bright highlight in the corner